Hi, my name's Carol Lee, and I work in tech support at Parker Lord.
And I'm Gail. And we're here today to talk about bonding of non-porous and porous materials such as concrete, granite,
Stone, things like that. Customers ask us a lot, what can I use to bond something that's not quite smooth, that might have a bumpy surface or might be porous like concrete. In this case, we're going to be bonding a piece of a metal sign to slate. So we basically have two different products that will meet your needs for this. One is the Lord 7610, and that's a 1-part adhesive sealer. It's bright white in color, and Gail is going to show us how this dispenses. Now, this product will be soft and flexible when you dispense it, and it'll sort of stay a bit soft and flexible through the life of the product. So you want to make sure that you get plenty of surface coverage, because that's what's going to give your strength in the adhesive.
this product is a single component moisture cure material. It'll take approximately 24 hours for it to set up.
So you just want to make sure that you press your adhesive all the way out and you get in good contact between the two parts. That'll stay soft for about 20 to 40 minutes. Again, like Gail said, it'll cure in about 24 hours. And Gail, I believe you can do that.
Yes.
A second product that we have for bonding porous surfaces would be the Lord 322. This is a 2-part epoxy adhesive. And so again, you just want to follow best practices, make sure that you make sure both sides are flowing, dispense some material. Now this one, as you can see, it has a high viscosity. It's going to be gray in color. And what's the work time on this?
This one has about 20 to 25 minute work time. This is a chemically reactive material, so you're going to get handling strength in about 4 to 6 hours and full strength in less than 24 hours.
So we're just going to bond one of these letters on. And again, you just want to make sure you've got good coverage and that you're firmly mating your parts together so you get a good bond. And then you can use a towel or a tool, anything to remove any kind of excess adhesive that you have, just so you get a nice clean finish.
And this product is considerably much stronger than the 7610. So if you have any concerns with vandalism, this is the product to use with putting a sign up.
Yeah, you could use metal plaques on stone or on walls, things like that. So again, we got two products, the 7610, which is a bright white adhesive sealer, and then the Lord 322 that are both available in the sign line for bonding porous materials.